good old nostalgic macaroni salad. You can't beat it for picnic season. Howdy do. It's time to make some mac salad. And the first time I made this, my husband consumed, I think, almost close to the full pound by himself. And I was concerned for him. So that's how good it is. And that's what we're making today. I prepped some veggies and we're gonna add them all into a big bowl to start. So let's talk about red pepper, add a little sweet crunch, some beautiful red, and celery, which I think really makes mac salad. It's just something. I don't even know what it is. It's really good with the mayo dressing. Some red onion, pop of color, and that little bite. And we have some chives, which I feel like, they're like onions, but a little bit sweeter, and they add that pop of green. You could also use scallion and pickles. This is, again, something that makes mac salad great, or at least my mac salad great. Some dill pickles. You can also use sweet if you prefer, and I just chop them up. That adds just like this juicy little tangy bite. And then I also have some hard-boiled eggs, and I hard-boiled them myself. And they're perfect. But you can also just buy them in the grocery store, up to you. I have a tutorial online if you wanna make them yourself. Let's see how beautiful they are. So I'm just gonna dice these up, and I'm not gonna add them to the bowl. I'm gonna save them for a little bit later. And there's no easy way to do this or like neat way. You just wanna dice them up. It's okay if the eggs fall apart. It'll actually make the mac salad better. I'm gonna go rinse my paws. I set all my stuff aside, and it's time to whip up a quick, creamy, tangy dressing. Starts off with mayo. Use good quality mayo. And to it, I'm gonna add in some fresh garlic, Dijon mustard here, and I like my mac salad to be on the tangier side, so I'm gonna use a generous amount. You can use less if you prefer. And then I have some white wine vinegar, which is gonna add even more tang to this, kind of a freshness, balance everything out. And then that classic mac salad has a little bit of sweetness, like a little bit more than you would be expecting almost. So I add in a little bit of honey. Some people add sugar, but I like honey better. Salt, pepper, and then mix it all up. So creamy. Can't wait to add this to the pasta. Speaking of, we're ready. I have a whole lot of macaroni, and we're gonna go boil this on the stove. Macaroni is done. I rinsed it with cool water just to remove some of the excess starch so the pasta doesn't stick to each other. Make sure you really drain it though, because you don't want to add in a bunch of water here. So just add it into your big bowl with veggies, and then you're gonna add in all of your dressing. And it may look like a lot, but that pasta soaks it up, especially if you're not serving this right away. Mix her up. Final step is you're gonna add in your egg. I'm about to be a wild child and use this food. The biggest one I can find. Maybe I shouldn't have done this food. Creamy, tangy, a little sweet. Honestly, it's hard to describe how good it is. The best mac salad ever. Check this out on tastefullygrace.com. You won't regret it. I feed you, husband.